Welcome to our lesson about the ByLayer function in AutoCAD. We already know that objects we create assume the properties of the layer to which they're assigned, like color, line weight, and line type. Let's activate the hidden line layer, and let me drop some objects in model space. Start with a circle, now a line. Let's create a few lines. Right-click and enter to close the tool. My objects have assumed the line type and color of the hidden layer, blue with a dashed line. Let's undock the Properties panel, and let's drop it about here. Here we see drop-down menus for object color, line weight, and line type. The default option is selected by layer. What this means is that these properties are determined at the level of the layer. Let's select one of the lines in the drawing area. I'm going to change the color to green. Let's change the line type to continuous. Now let's deselect everything and change the line color to magenta. Let's change the line type as well. And let's create a few more objects. Here's a circle, a line. Right-click and enter to close the tool. Let's make some more modifications. Let's say change the color to blue and the line to continuous. Let's create a rectangle now. As you see, it is possible to modify individual entities in a layer. However, it's not a good idea. It can introduce a lot of confusion into your drawing. AutoCAD gives you a way to fix this problem pretty quickly. There's a special command called Set to ByLayer. Let's expand the menu flyout on the Modify panel and left-click on the Set to ByLayer command. Now let's make a window selection. Right-click to indicate that the selection is finished, and right-click Enter to close the tool. The command line asks Change By Block to ByLayer. Yes. Now AutoCAD asks if I want to include the blocks. Let's select Yes again. And as you see, our geometry is now restored to the original color and line type of the layer. I'm also going to select ByLayer from the Color drop-down menu. And let's restore the panel back to the ribbon by clicking here. If I want to change the properties of the entire layer, I can go to the Layers Property palette and change the color to blue. The line type, let's say, will change to continuous. OK, and let's close the palette. And this concludes our tutorial about the Set to ByLayer command and the ByLayer functionality in AutoCAD.